Okay guys, so this is how this video was looking after I finished filming and before I applied the Capcut settings I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And it's moved from this to this. And if you want to achieve this, all you need is just your phone. You don't need any ring light at all. If you don't have money for a ring light, you don't need to worry about that. You need a sunlight. I want to believe everybody has sunlight, right? Yes, everybody has sunlight. And then you're going to also be needing a Capcut software in your phone or in your laptop to get started with achieving this look. So to get started, I'm going to show you how you can position your phone if you're using your phone to film using the sunlight so that you get everything and you have less work to do. So assuming this is your phone, if you want to be filming with your back camera, make sure the back camera is backing the source of the sun while the front camera is showing towards the direction of the sun. And if you're using the front camera, you reverse it, the front camera will be facing you while the back camera will be facing the direction of the sun. That way your image will not be dark, like you can see everything clearly because the sun is coming this way, and there will not be any reflection at all if you're using this in this direction. So once you have achieved this and then you've finished filming everything you need to film, this setting is one of the things you're going to be doing immediately. You drag your video to Capcut software or app to start editing. Once you have dragged to start editing, you make sure you implement this setting, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. Guys, this is Capcut. Once you have opened and you have the video you want to edit there, you drag it to the timeline where you start doing your editing, and then once it is there, you just highlight everything. Once you have done the highlights, then you go to adjustments to make the adjustments of the settings. So you're going to start with exposure. You keep the setting at 4. Then once you have done that, you look for saturation. And on saturation, once you have seen it, you change it to 7. The next setting you will need to change is brilliance. You look for brilliance and change it to 7. Then once that is done, you look for shadow. That is the next setting you need to look for. And once you have seen shadow, you turn it down a bit to -3. And once you have achieved that, the next setting you're going to look for is temperature. Then you're going to turn it down to -27. Once that is done, you sharpen everything to finish up with your setting. You go to sharpen and then you increase it to 30. Once you have done that, you will see that the change has reflected immediately. Everything has changed and it's looking quite different. It's looking brighter, it's looking more appealing, and it has quality, like compared to the previous video that I used, like the one that I used to change it. And to show you what I'm talking about, I'm going to drag the video where the first video that I've not been edited or added anything to, and then you're going to see the difference from the original video to the one that has been edited. You can see here that this is the original and it's not much appealing and everything is just looking like that. But when I turn it down, you're going to see the edited one, and you see it's looking quite okay, better, brighter, and more appealing compared to the previous one that I used. So this is how you're going to do this. Alright, with this method, you can create a quality video that you can use for any purpose, and you don't need to worry yourself about using ring lights. Now, if you can still afford to use ring lights, you can actually use that because it is quite good. Now, if you want to learn more, please don't fail to like this video, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the future videos we're going to publish. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.